I've never witnessed, like, I've never experienced a strike like this before. And now, like, that I'm talking about it, I'm actually getting kind of angry about it, even though, like, I was already angry about it, but now I'm just annoyed. Like, this is just not good for anyone. Hey guys, I'm back home now. We all good, but, yeah, I can't go anywhere now. It is currently like almost 9 p.m. and nothing is working. Like, I checked and none of the buses are running now. And like I said before, the metros are still fermés. And alors, that means I am staying in tonight. I'm not angry. Not even a little bit angry. Thanks, la grève. I love the strike so much. I think that I'm getting like a sty on my eye. This one. I don't know, you guys tell me. I'm actually gonna go on a little rant right now. Me and my friends were talking about it earlier. You know what? There's probably so many tourists coming into Paris, and well, they have probably no idea that this horrible strike is going on. Maybe now a little bit more than before because it's been going on for a week. I didn't expect for it to go on for this long. I should have known. Tourists are coming in and they're probably so shook. This is the exact scenario I have in my mind. Right, so they're arriving from the airport and they're trying to get the train into the town, right? Because obviously the airport is not super close to the actual city center of Paris. You have to take a train called the RER into the city. But guess what's not working for the past week now? The RER hasn't been working and it's just whack city. They're like, excuse me, I just arrived from freaking wherever they're coming from, and guess who's already confronting like some problems? The tourists. And guess what runs like half the city? Tourism. So they can't get into the city like that. What do? They take a taxi. Cool. So they get into the city with their bougie taxi, and then what? They're like, oh, okay, I'm at my hotel. Now they want to go see some sights, right? They want to go munch some food, some delicious French cuisine. I don't really like French food, so I don't know why I said that. Let's just pretend I didn't say that. Anyways, they want to go eat at a restaurant. Cool. Guess who can't get on the metro because the stations are closed because of the strikes? The tourists who paid a lot of money to be at that hotel and who paid a lot of money to come to France, who could potentially be spending a lot of money on these restaurants, and so on and so on. You see where I'm going here? Like, this is just not good for anyone. Who's winning? Tell me who's winning. No one. I know at this point everyone's just really annoyed. I've never witnessed, like, I've never experienced a strike like this before. And now, like, that I'm talking about it, I'm actually getting kind of angry about it, even though, like, I was already angry about it, but now I'm just annoyed. All that being said, I do understand why this is being done, and I do understand why the protests are happening. I'm gonna try to get around tomorrow. It has already been confirmed that the strikes are gonna be continuing up until next week and Tuesday, like Tuesday minimum. So this has been going on for 7 days now. To continue like this is super great. Like, thanks. I'm ready for this to be over. And right now I'm just ranting. So I'm gonna stop. I hope you guys stick around for tomorrow, because that's where it gets fun. Okay, good night.
Due to planned industrial action, severe delays are affecting services on all RATP networks.
No. Hey guys. Okay, before I start this, yes, my eye is really swollen, I am aware. I'm currently in a metro station, and actually, my line is running today, thank goodness. It's only running on the weekends from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. So that's really good. So I'm taking advantage of the fact that it is working, and I'm gonna go Christmas shopping, so that's super fun. And look, it feels so good to like be in the metro again, because I actually have not taken the metro for pretty much the whole week just because it's been closed. So it feels nice to be out of the house. Actually, there's like no one out, and I don't know if that's because of the weather or because of the strikes. Usually this place is packed, but no one. I just bought a little cute tote bag for my mom, and I didn't record myself getting it because I completely forgot, but I'll try to bring you guys along. All the buses are super full because the metros aren't running, so everybody's like packing themselves onto the buses because it's the only other option, you know? That or walking or taking a scooter or something. I don't know. I got a gift for my sister, and I got a gift for my mom. I hope they like them. I'm gonna take the metro now because I'm going to a Christmas market. Luckily, the metro line that I need to take is... There's some people right there. The metro line that I need to take is... No one drives it, which means like the strikes can't affect it because it's literally run like on autopilot, if you know what I mean. So that's good. I'm gonna take the metro, and yeah, I'll show you guys around the little Christmas market. I'm so excited. There's so many people. What? This is for? I'm making a Christmas vlog and like about the strikes, so yeah. Where's everyone? Okay.
I came here to like get you.
Responded, so I'm hatless, and it's the only hat that I've ever worn in my life that didn't make me look like a winter watermelon. My head is already very large. It doesn't need to be any bigger.
The vlog always gets super interesting when you join, Julia. So we're at the Christmas markets now.
We'll take a look at all this cheese.
Yeah, there's so much stuff. I can't wait to like munch, and I can't wait to look at everything, and I hope I find some gifts. You can get it in a bowl or something. Hi vlog! This is Marina. Yes, I just met her. Give us a review.
It's good. It's really good.
It's raclette made out of chickpeas, which is chickpeas. We're super excited because we just found this like vegan raclette, and it's made out of like 100% cheese normally. So the fact that like they have a vegan one is like
Vegan version is really nice.
I might put it in a sandwich. I think. Call it a day. I'm excited to go play with toys. We're on the merry-go-round. I'm so excited. Alex is gonna pay for it to go. Yeah. Oh. Hey. It's not moving. Guys, right there is Notre Dame, and look how pretty these lights are! They're so nice. Wait. Can you see them? They're so pretty! Ah, I love Christmas! Hi everyone, I'm back in the city center now, and I'm tired. It's been a long day of Christmas. I'm currently back at the place I was earlier, but it looks a little different now because it's nighttime. Look. I was gonna go to my friend's place because he was having a little Christmas thing there tonight, but since the strike is happening, I wouldn't really have a way to get home. I'm a little bit sad that I'm missing the Christmas party though, but we're gonna have like a Christmas gift exchange tomorrow. Also, I feel like today hasn't been like a very good example of like how frustrated I've been with the strikes, because I've actually been able to get around quite easily today.